slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness.
Deep within the frigid Atlantic Ocean, a great legend lies dormant.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take
The
shit,
massive
I
grave
got
of the
no
20th
love
century,
for the
most
fakeness.
famous
You wanna
ship,
play
the
tough,
RMS Titanic.
I'll always show up.
Tens of thousands of tons of once proud steel, now crushed by darkness and water pressure.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
But
always
today,
show up.
humanity has decided to rewrite the ending of this tragic legend.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
The most insane and
I got
monumental
facts over
salvage
facts over
operation
tracks,
in
and that's
history
being slow,
officially
spinning fast.
begins.
I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake
The most advanced deep-sea submersibles approach the wreckage, laser scanning the entire structure. A super heavy-duty suspension cable system pierces through the pitch-black water. Massive pulling force tears the hull from the mud that has imprisoned it for over a century. Inch by inch, the rusted steel slowly breaches the surface, a world-shaking moment. As the Titanic is brought to the mega restoration dry dock, the true scale of devastation is revealed. The grand chassis is now just
Is the lock
necrotic,
secure?
rusty
Lock
patches,
secure, Captain.
reeking of the foul sea.
Begin to lift.
High-pressure water jets operate at full capacity, tearing off hundreds of pounds of barnacles and seaweed.
Load distribution stable. Ascent rate nominal.
Hold your position, starboard side. We are secure on the port pontoon. Check the pressure, keep it steady.
The water stream, strong as a blade, slices away the crust of time clinging to the hull.
Tighten that tensioner now. Starboard side secure. Roger that. Moving to port.
High-temperature cutting torches brightly illuminate the shop, peeling away the unsalvageable parts.
Secured. Take the strain! Oh! Oh!
The rotting steel blocks are mercilessly cut away, clearing the path for the recreation process.
We are clear of the blocks. Begin traverse east.
Copy that. Traversing east.
A little higher on the right.
Once.
Reading steady now. Level confirmed.
The giant crane system dismantles every fragment, revealing the mechanical heart inside.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the alignment. All right, set it.
The steam engine room, the pride of maritime
Easy, hold it
engineering,
there.
is now
Perfect.
just a pile of seized scrap metal.
Keep coming down slowly now. Watch the port side. Okay, we're clear. Set it down.
Every cylinder, every crankshaft is hoisted out for detailed dissection.
All right, lads, easy now. To the left a bit. Steady, steady. Looks good here, Captain.
The engine block is soaked in
Watch the mount on the
specialized
starboard
chemicals,
side. We're
dissolving
clear.
all
Blow
remnants
away.
of sea salt.
Steady, steady.
We need to finalize the measurements for the clock installation. See here, honor and glory.
Masterful hands grind
Aligning
and
the
polish
left side
every bearing
and the
until
right.
they brilliantly reflect the light.
Okay, set it down easy. Easy, easy, hold.
The massive gears are rear-assembled, interlocking perfectly with one another.
That's flush against the hull. Hold it there.
All right, she's secure now. The N is set.
Hold it steady now. Easy on the starboard line.
The magnificent
Lower away,
bronze
slowly.
propellers are restored to a shine, locked tight onto the main drive
Alignment
shaft.
confirmed on the laser, dead center.
All right, secure the position. Start the tightening sequence on the gudgeons.
Aft, just a touch aft.
Steady, steady.
And easy down.
In this sandblasting room, the ship's hull undergoes a painful but necessary transformation. The rough metal surface is exposed, ready to receive new life.
Watch the starboard side, easy now. Clear on deck, bring it down slowly.
Emergency stations, lower the starboard lifeboat.
Aye, Captain.
Report status of the engine room immediately.
Watch the load. Bring it down slowly. Clear the pallet on the left.
A solid layer of anti-rust primer is fully applied, creating an eternal shield against the
Titanic
ocean.
II to command. All systems nominal. Over.
Lifeboat 4, this is the deck. Commence lowering. Roger that. Lowering now. Clear below.
And then, the brilliant
Congratulations.
original paint once again
Congratulations,
coats the body of the Queen of the Seas.
Breaking news tonight, the markets reacted strongly to the announcement.
What?
As you can see, the data suggests a significant shift in the...
Welcome aboard.
Thank you, officer. We are thrilled to be here.
The luxurious interior and magnificent ballrooms are flawlessly reconstructed down to the last detail.
To the White Star Line, and a truly magnificent voyage.
Indeed, may the journey be as splendid as the company.
Passengers to the forward gangway, please.
All lines clear. We are underway.
Isn't the sea simply marvelous today? Truly breathtaking. The captain has brought us fair weather.
Ladies and gentlemen, a memorial service will be held on the aft deck at sunset.
The massive smokestacks are placed into position. Every stage is complete.
It's truly breathtaking. We're finally here. Look at the torch shining through the mist.
Make that last turn fast! We are sitting solid on the camels!
The historic launch day.
Good
the
afternoon.
crowd erupts in
We
applause
appreciate
and
you
tears of
joining us
emotion.
for this momentous occasion.
Good morning. We stand today on the precipice of history, ready to redefine ocean travel.
The project has been a success beyond our wildest imagination.
The Titanic II will undertake no further commercial voyages.
Instead, in where did you land? She will embark on an entirely new mission.
Point outfitted with
Titanic II is not just
hardware.
a commercial ship. It is a symbol of human willpower.
Her grand ballrooms and dining halls repurposed into world-class research laboratories. Her staterooms will house the world's leading oceanographers and marine biologists.
Titanic II will return to the place her story began.
As a permanent, deep-sea research station, anchored for eternity above her namesake. A bridge
Bearing a
between the
mission of
past
peace and research,
and the future.
ship proudly sets sail once again.
As you can see, the expedition to the Titanic has yielded unprecedented results. The unique corals thriving on the...
We are proud to announce the creation of the first underwater memorial and museum, preserving the legacy of the Titanic.
We are proud to announce that this year's Nobel Peace Prize is awarded to the delegation for their tireless efforts.
However, great mechanical miracles don't only happen on the vast ocean. Deep in a desolate forest, another warrior lies waiting to be awakened. Beneath layers of dry leaves and moss is a heavily battered yellow Chevrolet Camaro. It is not just a car ... This is the relic of an extraterrestrial legend. And the restoration mechanics this time ... are not human at all. The giant Autobots appear, their steel footsteps shaking the ground. They have found their lost comrade, Bumblebee. Giant metal hands gently lift the car, bringing it back to their secret base. The overhaul begins. No ordinary wrenches or cranes are used. This is restoration technology beyond human comprehension. A multi-lens laser system scans the car's body, analyzing every broken metal bond.
The shell is ready for the cleaning bay.
And the engine block requires immediate attention. That rust is deep.
We must analyze the extent of the damage first.
Optimus Prime commands, we must clean off this rust before the Decepticons find us. Focused energy beams fire out, smoothing out the fatal scars on the armor.
We've got to get this rust off before the Decepticons find us.
Almost there. Just a little more.
The supercharged V8 engine block is disassembled and dissected using futuristic tools. Alien electronic circuits are reconnected, transmitting cubic energy. Plasma welding sparks glow brightly, stitching up the deepest wounds of the young warrior. A dazzling yellow paint, accented with muscular black stripes, gradually appears. Every powerful aerodynamic line of the Camaro is flawlessly restored. The V8 heart is placed back into the engine bay. The dashboard lights up with neon strips. The warrior's eyes blink. The engine block roars with an intimidating growl. The exhaust shoots flames, tearing through the silence. Absolute power has been fully charged. The yellow warrior has returned. The Autobots stand tall, ready for a new battle.